Wes McElroy on FoxSportsRichmond.com with Dr. Garaudia, our medical expert from G2 Orthopedics. Okay, so we have the big game this week. We got Super Bowl 51.
Yep.
A lot of people are paying attention to Julio Jones.
Absolutely.
Now, we've seen him the past couple of weeks do some amazing things with short rest with turf toe. First of all, can you describe exactly what turf toe is?
Yeah, turf toe is basically where they sprain underneath the toe, the ligaments underneath the toe, and it can be really painful and really affects how they push off, which obviously a wide receiver needs to be able to do.
Okay, so you're sitting there watching these games at home, and you're kind of fascinated because you know exactly what a wide receiver needs to do, and every time that he's doing it, the pushing off, the motions, even those toe drag catches that he has against Green Bay, that's got to be an incredible pain threshold.
Yeah, he must be having a lot of pain. He's pushing through it. I'm sure he's taking anti-inflammatory medicines. They may be giving him some injections from time to time. He probably has a little plate in his shoe that's making it firmer than normal, which can affect how he can push off, but is allowing him to play.
Okay, for someone like myself, a runner, someone along those lines, how can you prevent turf toe? Is it something that is a wear and tear over time? Is it something that's avoidable? What is it?
Yeah, generally it's from an injury, so it's not necessarily wear and tear. The reason it's called turf toe is your foot can get stuck in the turf, and so it's almost like the foot gets hyperextended when it catches on the turf, and that's where the name comes from. Of course, it can happen on any surface, so just don't get your foot stuck.
Okay. So for him, they shut him down for this week for practice, so he's going to get 1 full week of practice, but you can't imagine a heavy workload. They're almost going to try to get him 2 full weeks of rest. Is that enough time? Is this a 4 to 6 week injury? Is this one of those things that you just put your foot down the wrong way, it can bounce back?
Absolutely. You know, we've seen this in other players, running backs and other types, that it can affect them for weeks and weeks and, you know, even an entire season sometimes. So it's incredible that he's been able to play. So I think with this 2 weeks of rest, he should be able to go at the Super Bowl.
There you go. Now you're more informed. Now you know exactly what Julio Jones is going through. We just hope you never have to feel what Julio Jones is going through. Dr. Garaudia from G2 Orthopedics and Sports Medicine.